So over here, you can see that I have a Prezi video file opened up. And if you want to start presenting, then what you can do is you can go around over here on the right side and click on the plus button right here. So once you do that, you have this option right here to add text. So I'm just going to go around and say, welcome to TutorTube, just like this. And you can see that it gets typed up right here. Similarly, if you want to add in more text, you can click on plus button right over here again and say keep on learning, just like this. And you can click on this plus button and I'm going to say keep on watching. So I'm just going to go around and type in keep on watching. So I'm going to say this WATCHING. Yes. So you can see that now as I click on these text, that is these slides right here, you can see that they change over here on the right side. So this becomes easier for you. So you simply click on these. So when you present with a video, you click on these right here. So apart from regular text, you can also go around and add in visuals right here. So if I were to click on add visual, then what happens is that it opens up the add content section where you can go around and search for different images that you can use. So let me just go around and type in computer right here. And once you do that, you can see I can click on a computer according to how I like it. Then what happens is that you got the text and the visual on the same slide, as you can see right here. Similarly, you can go around over here and click on add visual. And then what you can go around and do here is, let's say I'm going to type in presentation. And once I do that, what happens is that I can go around, add in the related images right here. So now you can see that there's text and there's visual according to how you like it right here. So you can simply go around over here and add in the contents as you wish. So you can go around, add in content over here. You can go around, add in content right here. So there's one image and one text right here. So that is how you can add in text and images inside of slides and maintain out slides inside of a Prezi video file. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.